Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Holden TK Barina sedan, stock reference number 4001. This shape runs from the 12th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2012. It has an F16 D3 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F16 D3 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front and the right-hand side. We have the left-hand headlight, does have light sun cracks. Left guard has 2 small dents. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors have 3 dents each. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got an automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player with aux and MP3, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.